Guys, welcome to Shoot First. Nico here with Wanits. And as always, sina Mikey, Javi, and Gio and Bailey all have their own busy sila. Kami muna, we'll hold the fort. Hopefully masama namin sila sa mga upcoming NBA
Wala lang,
conversations.
nangati lang kami
Especially ngayon, no,
magkwentuhan.
Wanits. Nasa conference finals na tayo. Exciting times. And
Yes,
there will
sir.
be a new
Actually,
champion.
nangati lang kami ng NBA talk just because sa GC na naparami ni NBA talk namin. So sabi namin, hindi, episode tayo, saglit lang. 'Di ba? Usap lang tayo, kwentuhan konting kwentuhang NBA. It's been fun. It's been fun. It's relatively this season has relatively been unpredictable. 'Di ba? I would have known. I was saying that it's gonna be a really nice finals between Boston and OKC or whoever. Pero all of a sudden, Boston's out. Boston's out. So, pare, medyo open game to. Open game to. Sorry
Oh,
to say lang na wala na yung Golden State. Just
kita pa yung
ano
no?
lang pare,
Kita
konting
pa yung
pakikiramay
jersey.
muna tayo. Mga kapatid, konting pakikiramay muna tayo kay paring Nico dito at out na ang Golden State, no? Hindi ka naman umiyak.
Medyo naman, medyo. Sandali lang naman, di ko na pinakita na gusto ko na ibaba eh. Pero hindi naman niya kasalanan kasi ni Jimmy Butler eh, na medyo naging passive doon sa mga last two games. Pero di mo rin ma-deny na matanda na kasi, ang dami na pinagdaanan ng katawan nun. Tapos,
Wala bro, I mean,
36 years
Steph
old.
Steph is definitely needed for them to win. Eh,
Mm.
face of the team yun eh. Diba? Face of the team. So no Steph, we really can't. There's no more Clay. Draymond doesn't have the carrying ability. Jimmy doesn't have the carrying ability anymore. Talagang group effort dapat eh. So wala. On to the final four. Well, we had the first game earlier. We had Minnesota
Mm.
OKC, which actually relatively controlled ng Minnesota to start the game, right?
Okay, di ba?
Right? You
Up
watch?
to the first half, feel ko
Diba? Up to the
parang,
first half, sabi ko,
mga
shit, lalaban
Minnesota.
tong Minnesota. Lalaban to. All of a sudden, pare, wala eh. Nung nag-turn on yung Jets, tuloy-tuloy na eh.
Actually, tuloy-tuloy
Tuloy-tuloy na.
na. And ano talaga yun eh. Actually, yung second half, nakita ko na iba yung start ng OKC. Jalen Williams, nagising. Tapos, from there, naging ice cold yung shooting ng Minnesota. Ano magagawa mo na dyan? They were daring Minnesota to shoot. Nakita ko dun sa isang stat na Minnesota shot 51 threes to the 8 to 86 total field goal attempts na meron nila. It's more than half of their shots and they only made 29% of their threes. Kung ganun rin naman yung percentages when it's di kayo mananalo talaga. And also
And
na-injure ulit si
think,
Anthony Edwards ng second quarter
to
yung
think,
ankle
ang
niya.
dami naman nilang threat inside. You have Julius Randle, you have Rudy Gobert, but you continue to force it outside versus a team that's young and energetic. Eh talagang mahirapan ka to go with the pace of OKC. And if it continues to be like this, I think it's gonna be OKC entering the finals.
OKC ano ka? OKC in 6, OKC in 5. Magbibigay ka na ba ng prediction
Honestly,
na ganito kaaga?
honestly, okay, pwede na. Dito na tayo eh. I
Sige.
think it's OKC in five.
Woo!
I think
Okay.
there's gonna be one game na magre-relax sila, magbabawas. Anthony Edwards takes over. Lalabas yung mga Julius Randle. Pero it's Minnesota kasi has this 90s feel eh.
They
Do you
do.
get me? Where
Oo.
they play physical. That's not a deep rotation, but there's main guys you have to look out for. On the other end, OKC is so unpredictable. When Shai has the ball
Mm-mm.
in the end game most of the time, ibig sabihin close game yan, and more than likely matatalo sila. OKC doesn't play well in close games. Kaya ang ginagawa nila, niraratsyada na nila. Tinatambakan na nila. And that's where they're in control. Doon talaga sila kumokontrol. So I think if they can control the pace every game, meron lang mga times na simple lang si Minnesota diyan. So I think I'm going Minnesota in five. Sorry.
OKC in
OKC in
5.
five.
Okay, okay.
OKC in five. Ikaw.
Ako feel ko naman mag-OKC in 6. Because I feel like
Okay.
Minnesota has 1 to 2 games in them. Pero as of right now, when I really can see them. beating the Thunder, especially na yung superstar mo alanganin eh. Especially with that ankle injury na every series ata meron siyang natitweak na ankle. At yung mga
Wala, it's not
defenders ng
100% eh. It's not
yeah, he's not
100%.
100%. Tapos yung perimeter defenders ng OKC, not the same as the Warriors. Diba? It's not Brandon Pajemski guarding you. It's not old ass Jimmy Butler guarding you. It's either Lou Dort, Alex Caruso, tapos
Jason
switchable pala.
Wallace.
Quezon
Jason
Wallace,
Wallace, pare. Grabe
SGA
rin
is a
yun.
not bad defender himself, 'di ba? 'Di ba? For all the offensive production that SGA brings, let's not forget this guy is one of the steals the ball a lot as well.
Wala, scary. Well, OKC's been scary the whole season.
Mm.
I think one game plan that Minnesota can look at is the same game plan that Denver did. Keep
Mm.
the game close, then make your veterans make the decision in the end. Because I will say this time and time again, if it's a close game and Shai wants to be the hero in the end, yan usually ang kinakatalo ng OKC. Yan usually. There was this game in Denver where parang hindi na pinasa ni Shai yung bola. No, and then
Kita mo
they
na ano,
actually
that's
lost in the end. They
experience,
lost in
lack
the
of
end.
experience.
So it's really an advantage if OKC takes control of the game at some point. But if you can force them into the fourth quarter, where you're just down four, maybe you're up by two or three, it's a slow scoring ball game. Yan ang weakness ng OKC.
Agree. Tapos ano eh, you were saying na 'di ba the veterans of Minnesota has to show up in the end game to be the one to ano rin, to steal
Mm.
one. Ang nangyari kasi kanina is more of yung the ones making the shots were or lack not making the shots were the role players. They locked down the rest, sina Ant, made them obsolete ng fourth quarter and dared Nasrid, dared DiVincenzo, dared No to make their shots. They didn't. Nasrid was 1 for 11. DiVincenzo was 3 for 14. I think No also had the same 3 for 13 ata or 3 for 11. It
Ah,
was horrible. Sama talaga. So if you're gonna let the role player shoot that much, same as Anthony Edwards, 13 shots lang si Ant. And I think nag-ano siya eh, nag-rely siya masyado sa tres niya because yun nga, baka he's not confident to drive,
yeah.
especially with a unstable ankle. Eh di, wala talagang chance kung ganun if Randall and Ant couldn't get it going in the fourth.
Well, makita naman natin kanina na wala, hirap talaga. I mean, especially in the second half.
The
It's
second half
like
was
they
complete
totally forgot
180.
to play basketball. 'Di ba? Parang, oh shit. Eh, di mo alam kung sobrang karon ba talaga kalakas yung OKC eh. How does it become from a close first half, 'di ba? To a second half where it was just totally controlled, they just totally demolished. Parang talaga nag-let go na lang yung Minnesota at some point eh. And that can't be the case because OKC can really pound on when they see na nahihirapan ka, talagang didikdikin nila yung tatambakan ka nila eh. So Minnesota really has to adjust eventually.
Agree. Yun rin talaga. It's more of for the next games, is Anthony Edwards gonna be 100%? Ano yung mga adjustments na gagawin nila dun sa perimeter defense sa OKC? They had 17 turnovers. So a lot to fix for Minnesota actually. And how they could make Rudy Gobert effective again. Same as how he was in the past two series.
Who do you think is gonna be the crucial players for both of the teams? Yung mga X factor. I mean,
For me,
we
it's
don't know.
Nasrid.
SGA is gonna be there or Nasrid. Nasrid
For
for
me, it's
you for
Nasrid.
for
If
Minnesota.
hindi sila mananalo ng 1 for 11 si Nasrid. Nasrid has to give you at least 12 to 15 points per game. He has to be that super six man off the bench. Kasi you need all hands on deck when you're up against OKC na kahit bata nga sila, Kayson Wallace, Kenrick Williams,
Mm.
Caruso, even si Isaiah Joe, kanina, they became 9, 10 man deep. So pag ganun nangyayari, di ba, you really need to have the bench hitting their shots para mag-space out yung floor. Kasi naman trabaho ni na Nasri, 'di ba, ni No and DiVincenzo to open the floor para maka-attack si na Randall and Anthony Edwards. Eh, kanina kasi the paint was really packed kasi kita naman ng OKC, di papasok tres nyo, di pack namin yung paint. Kayo na bahala dyan. And that was the story of game one.
Ako on the other end, I think who's gonna be crucial for Minnesota, I think si Nikhil.
Ah,
I think
sino?
Nikhil has
Okay.
to be extra defensively. We do know yung capability ni Nikhil on the
Mm.
defensive end, pero hindi pa masyadong lumabas kanina. But on the offensive end, alam naman natin na talagang Mike Conley will not be able to go with the pace of this game. He's gonna be there for veteran presence, but he's
Mm.
not gonna be able to play the whole ball game. Alam din natin that you have to be able to defend SGA. And Nikhil is the best guy. He's the cousin of SGA. He's
Actually, oh nga,
long.
no? He's the
He's
cousin.
long. And he's been playing with him both in Canada and wherever. So siya dapat yung may alam ng weak points ni SGA. So he has to
Mm.
be able to, 'di ba? Even on the scouting end, pwedeng ano yan, 'di ba? Pwede kang mag-share eh. 'Di ba? Pwede kang mag-share dahil mas kilala mo sa lahat 'to eh. So I think siya yung low-key X factor for Minnesota for them to be able to actually get a game or two or who knows even to really push the series. But for now, after game one, I think it's gonna be OKC in five.
I really can't blame you kasi parang ganun nga yung how things are going right now. Mas maraming questions more on Minnesota more than OKC. 'Di ba? Halos kanina, it was a perfect A+ game for OKC. For Minnesota, it became a C plus game after the first half. It complete 180. Hindi mo sila
Wala. B
ma-recognize ngayong
minus
second
first
half.
half. B minus first half. Wala na yung second half. Di, pwede F nga yung
Failing
second
grade.
half.
Failing
F nga
grade
yung
yung second
second
half.
half nun eh.
For
O, lipat tayo sa kabila.
ito
Lipat
nga.
tayo sa
For
kabila.
Indiana, New York, located, mas excited ako, Juanitza, more than
Actually, I think so,
the
yeah. Ako
Western
rin, ako rin, ako
Conference.
rin, ako rin, ako rin. Ako rin. I think, mas ano kasi, we do know that OKC's taken control of the West,
Mm.
'di ba? But in the East, these two emerged out of nowhere. Number one and number two are out, right? Who was number one?
Uh,
Cleveland.
Cleveland.
Cleveland's out. Cleveland's
Out of
out.
the
Number
list.
two, Boston's out.
Wala na rin yun.
So all of a sudden, sino tong
It's
dalawang
3
to?
and 4. It's a 3
It's
and
three
4.
and four. 'Di ba? It's 3 and 4, surprising everybody. And it's a cool storyline. It's a really cool storyline. The New York fans, I have never seen them this hype.
Oh, lalo na
Ngayon
sa
ko lang
TikTok, bro. Pag nanalo New York, pupunta ako TikTok para makita lang yung reaction nila sa streets. Di ba yung mga fans
wild
na
pala pare. I mean, I never really got to experience or na research kung gaano ka wild yung New York basketball culture. Kasi never never naman sa kabataan natin wala eh. Never
they
naman silang
never
lalabas ng
won.
first or
Yeah, yeah,
second
yeah.
round eh. 'Di ba? Ngayon lang talaga sila nagkaroon ng parang identity na fuck man, we can win. We actually have the capability to.
After
So,
being ignored, no, by sina KD, sina Kyrie, lahat ng mga past free
oh, who would
agents
have known? Who would have known, pucha pare? Si Bronson pala yung sagot.
na hindi sinay ng Dallas kaya nakuha ng New York. Imagine all things have to line up in order for this to happen. Inisip mo ba na Jalen Brunson would be this guy
No, bro.
na less than 6 feet giving you
Ah,
what 24 5 and 5
I was
24/7
saying to everybody, that was a bad signing. And he
to New
would be a
York
bust
initially nung
to New
nangyari yun.
York, pare. And I was proud of that. Sabi ko, I
It's
don't think
bad.
he can be number one. I think he's a good number two to Luka or a good number two to anyone else. He fucking proved me wrong. Fucking proved me
Napag-usapan niyo ba
wrong.
sa shoot first before nung mga past
I
free
can't
agent? Hindi
remember.
na.
I can't remember kung pinag-usapan namin. Kung dito ko, kasi kung paano ako magsalita dito, ganun din kasi ako magsalita sa mga kaibigan ko. Ganit, kumbaga parang
Same
lagi ako
lang. Oo.
nakapodcast eh. So kung magkikwentuhan kami ngayon, hindi ko na alam kung dito ko nakwento o sa mga kaibigan ko. But I was always saying na pare hindi gagana yan. Hindi, I don't see them out of the first round.
Oh,
Kaya pare, kaya siguro sobrang tuwang-tuwa rin tong New York eh. Itong mga New Yorkers. I just don't like
same.
when they throw this trash dun sa naglalakad na Halliburton fan. Nakita mo ba yun?
Ay, kawawa nga yun, yung Game 6. Pero I think, ang maganda doon, Juanits, I think sina Halliburton and the Pacers
Yeah.
management invited him to, I think Game 4? Game 3 or Game 4, parang they're gonna give
Binigyan
him
na
like
lang
a
tickets.
suite, they give him tickets for his whole family. Pero grabe nga, medyo, syempre, naging radical yung some fans. Naiintindihan naman natin yun, pero huwag naman tayo manakit na ibang tao. Ano nandyan lang para manood ng basketball.
Sana wag na siya manood, brother. Kung naiintindihan mo man sa Tagalog, wag ka na manood, pare. Baka mabato ka lang sa ano, baka mabato ka lang doon sa arena. Actually, nakita ko yung interview niya kasama si
Ay, yeah,
Hali.
yeah. Oh,
Wild fan pala talaga. He had a Pacer stat. He had a lot of Halliburton jerseys. Talagang ano pala to, diehard
die-hard siya.
Pacers fan.
Kaya siya napagtripan, no? Pero di, again, di naman ano yan. Hindi
Pero
naman
hindi
yan.
pa kasi tapos yung
Hindi yun.
series nun eh.
Oo nga.
Yun yung interesting. Hindi pa tapos yung series eh. Napagtripan lang talaga siya. 'Di ba?
Oo, napagtripan nga
Parang
na talaga
naglalakad
siya.
lang siya, naka-Halliburton fan siya, bigla kang batuhan ng basura. Medyo wild pala talaga yung
Ah.
culture of basketball. But pare, grabe yung mga interviews, no? Sa mga New Yorkers.
Oo, yung sa TikTok yun yung inaabangan ko nga talaga pagkatapos ng game. Meron silang ina-upload agad yung kinakausap nila lahat. Pati si Trae Young nadadamay. Pina-fuck Trae Young. Eh, wala naman si Trae Young dyan sa ano. Ah. 'Di ba? Fuck Kevin
Kahit si ano
Garnett.
nga eh, si
Fuck
ano
Paul
nakikigulo,
Pierce.
sino to?
Lahat
Si,
dinamay.
si Timothy Chalamet. Pucha.
Pati si
Si
Timothy
Timothy
Chalamet.
Chalamet, nanggugulo ng fans. Andun siya, lumalabas sa ano siya.
Lumalabas siya? Uf.
Lumalabas.
Grabe. Pero
As
di
in,
niya siguro
sa
kasama sila
sasakyan niya.
Jenner.
Sa sasakyan niya. Nag-ano talaga siya.
Nakikiyaro siya.
Nakikigulo. Si Anne Hathaway, may TikTok. Naka full New York gear.
For OG, si Sunny Lee na lang. Kailangan nila
Oh,
si
fan din
Sunny
ba yan?
Lee. Oo, si
Fan din ba
Sunny Lee,
yan?
ano eh, inaasal ng mga tao na si Sunny Lee daw, ano,
Si OG.
sinusupport
Kay
si
OG.
OG. Si OG,
Oh,
lahat
nakita ko
Anne
nga yan.
Hathaway, Sunny Lee.
Ah,
Iba talaga yung
hindi
Riz
ko
ni
nga alam,
OG.
hindi ko nga gets yung Sunili joke na yan. Tutukay lang kami nung kaibigan ko.
Oh,
Gamit ko New York. Gamit ko New York. Nakadalawang tres ako kay OG Anunoby. Shoutout
oh,
sa'yo, Barry. Shoutout sa'yo, Barry. Kaibigan ko yan.
oh.
Nakadalawang tres ako kay OG. Sabi sa akin bigla, nanonood siguro si Sunili, no? Ano yun?
Hindi
Pucha,
mo pa
tutukay
gets
lang
nung
ako
time na
dito.
yun.
Hindi
Hindi mo
pa,
siya
so
gets.
napa-research ako. Sino si Sonny Lee? Bakit nanood si Sonny Lee? Wala naman palang ano, parang ano lang pala siya, parang siniship lang pala.
Oo, kasi
Wala
nanood lang
naman
siya.
palang,
Oo, kasi
wala
nanood
naman
lang
palang
siya.
backstory.
Wala,
So,
wala. Nanood lang siya.
pati yung 2K ko na-google ni Sonny Lee.
Now, this is a series, though, and it's like, kidding aside, no? Hindi ko siya ma-predict. But I feel like it's gonna be a high-scoring game for both. Feel ko we're
Yeah.
gonna see we're gonna see over 100 in every game.
The pace is definitely gonna be fast.
No pun
That's what I'm
intended, no?
seeing. Wala.
No
No
pun
pun
intended.
intended. But
Uh,
I think talagang magkakaroon ng maraming, yeah, as you were saying, I think it's gonna be high scoring ball
mm-mm,
game each and every game. Um, I think the stars are gonna come out. I think this is gonna be the time where
mm.
sila Bronson, sila Kat are really gonna show out on the other end. I think Pascal's gonna show up. But on I think Indiana has this. I think Indiana has
In
this.
seven? In seven ka ba?
I
Indiana in
think
seven.
Indiana has this in seven. I'm
Ako, the
going
reason,
Indiana in seven.
ako rin, ito. The reason I'm going for Indiana in seven is because, number one, selfish to kasi I have a lot of rookie cards si Tyrese Haliburton. So alam niyo naman 'di ba, Juanis, yung mga
Pucha,
NBA cards.
gusto
Gusto ko
mo, para
pumutok
para
value
tumaas yung
niyan. Oo. Gusto ko talaga to as valid Halliburton, and this guy, actually maganda rin kasi storyline kay Halliburton. Even though na mas boring ng onte yung Pacers making it to the finals. Pero kasi ako, inisip ko, this guy was just called overrated a few months ago. He was voted amongst by his peers
yeah.
as the most overrated players. Dadalin mo sa finals against a team that beat the defending champions, which is New York beating Boston, 'di ba? So that's something worth for me, that's worth rooting for. And at the same time, yun nga, one of my favorite players si Halliburton. Hindi ako makabili ng jersey niya ngayon, medyo mahal eh. Inabili ko kasi itong Curry jersey nung, naalala mo nung naputol, nung na-broken arm siya, nung nahulog si Aaron Baines sa kanya. Yung the season before they got James Wiseman. So nakakuha ko ng cheap na Steph Curry jersey. But that's beside
Mm.
the point, no? Gusto ko lang talaga na si Halliburton makapunta sa
So it's more
finals.
of a personal
It's
choice.
more personal choice kasi wala namang favorite team eh dito. Pero kung makapasok naman New York, okay lang rin kasi may
Yeah, no
entertain
hate. No
tayo
hate.
ng mga fans nila. And it's great for the NBA rin actually. Parang for the NBA, they want New York to make it. Sila yung UST eh ng NBA. They are
Totoo, totoo.
you want the UAP is not complete without UST. So for me, the NBA is at its peak if New York is going deep in the playoffs.
I think also if we really want the fan base to be engaged, it's gotta be New York versus actually any of the two eh. But for me, I think mas magiging slightly better because OKC's really been number one.
New York
So
OKC, no?
OKC, New York. But also on the other end, I think New York versus Minnesota after that big trade would be very
Win-win. It's a
exciting.
win-win. Doon mo
'Di ba?
ma-justify
Let's
sino
say
yung
now you
panalo.
see Randall versus New
Cat.
York and then
Mm-mm.
Cat versus Minnesota. That's gonna be exciting. Pero I just think I really believe in team basketball and
Mm.
surprises. That's why that's why ang hirap pa-predict ni Indiana. Because at any point, anyone can produce. No, there are times where Tyrese and Pascal are not really at their best. Pero
Mm.
each and every year, si Miles
Alam mo, si Miles Turner has been in the trade talks for the longest time, no? Di
Yeah.
ba? Every trade deadline, si Miles Turner, oh, sinashop na Indianas, walang takers. So, pero, mali mo, di ba? He gets to the finals and he brings a championship to Indiana. What a storyline. Pinag-uusapan natin, Miles Turner bring a championship to Indiana. Pero that's team
I
basketball
don't
talaga.
think
They're
I
not
don't
defined by
think
one guy eh.
I don't think outside Indiana there are hardcore Indiana fans. In the Philippines, I
Masyado.
do not know anyone who is a hardcore Pacer fan. I know some hardcore Jazz
I
fans.
know
I
hardcore
know
New York fans. I know hardcore New
New
York
York,
fans. I have like
big
five
market yan
friends.
eh. Big market yan eh. 'Di ba? I know a hardcore Bucks fan. I know a hardcore, yung mga Washington fan. But I've never
Weird,
heard
no?
of a
Washington. I
hardcore.
have Washington fans din na friends.
Pero walang kilalang Indiana. I mean, who knows? Kung meron,
Comment.
comment. Oh, para lang alam namin na meron. But it's so rare to hear a hardcore Indiana fan in the country or even outside Indiana. Maybe there are hardcore Reggie Miller fans. Maybe there are hardcore
Oh yeah,
Paul
may mga
George
Reggie
fans
Miller fan.
before. But you wouldn't say I'm an Indiana fan. I'm a Pacer fan. 'Di ba? Ang
You're a
weird
player
ah.
like I'm a Halliburton fan, 'di ba? Kakasabi ko lang, "Oh, I'm a
Oh,
fan of
yan.
Halliburton." Pero di ko naman sabi na I'm a Pacer fan.
If he gets traded, 'di
Susundan ko
ba?
siya.
'Di
I
ba? Ay,
was a,
wala
I,
na.
yeah,
Hindi ka na ano, hindi ka
ng
na
team
fan
na
ng
yun.
Pacers. So, kaya siguro wala masyadong market dito sa Philippines that are pushing for the Pacers. No, but I think this is gonna be a good start for them to actually get some following from the country. Tayo naman updated tayo sa kahit anong nangyayari sa NBA.
Oh, syempre, yun
Sobrang
yung favorite nating NBA talaga.
mga nerd na tayo sa NBA.
At ang maganda one, sa NBA, there hasn't been a back-to-back champion in 7, 8 years. There's always a new champion.
Yeah.
There's a stat na nakita ko eh. Ang ganda. I wish we could do, I wish it could happen here.
I read the comments, 'di ba? Of that. There's gonna be, you're right, 7 or 8
Another
years that there's
champion.
never been a back-to-back. And the comments are mixed. Some
Okay.
say it's gonna destroy the league. Some say it makes the league better. Which side are you on?
Makes the league better. I like it na these teams always have a chance na it gives teams na if you just rebuild properly, we just get the right guys. If it's a culture, we can have a chance to make it to the finals. That's what it gives me kesa yung tipong, oh, big market sila, small market tayo, wala tayong pera, we're not gonna make
Ah.
it ever. Hindi na reinforce yung idea na yun. The idea is we just need to do it right and get the right trades, get the right guys. It's like sa Pacers, diba? That team was built. They just traded for Halliburton, the rest were drafted. Yeah, and and just making a few key signings. Wala naman silang tipong big market signing na, oh, si Kawhi pumunta dito si said name. It's a blue collar team talaga. Ayun, that's the right term. It's a blue collar team.
Yeah, actually, ako naman, same as you. It makes it, I mean, we're basketball purists and we
Oo.
love the diversity. We love the equal competition. But I think on the other side, meron naghahanap nung that one team that could control, the dynasties. Hinahanap nila eh. Di ba? Hinahanap nila
For
yung
the
dynasties of the
storyline,
Warriors, for the na parang, can they beat this dynasty? Can they retain? Alam mo, may ganong, there's no one team eh. right now.
I think
There's
they were
no
trying
D
to
team.
groom the Celtics to be that team, no? Diba?
Yeah,
Ah,
they were trying
they
to
were
groom.
grooming the Celtics to be that team.
And then they had the potential to be that. You know, you had the complete package of Drew, Jalen, Jason, Horford, Kristaps, Pritchard. So you had the pieces to be the next dynasty. Though wala, talagang lumaban yung ibang team eh. Now, medyo they're gonna take a few steps back with that injury of Tatum.
But the luxury
So,
tax when it's they have to break up the team. The new owner doesn't want to pay 280 million in tax. So they really have to break up the team. So in a way that ends this version of this Celtics era. Pero feel ko it's the two J's pa rin naman yung core. It's a matter of sinong sasurround mo. Kasi you cannot keep Holiday, you cannot keep Porzingis, you cannot keep can you keep Derek White? I don't know. With
Derek White pa
the
pala nandun.
Derek White pa, 'di ba? Eh, grabe yung
Wala,
mga
I
contributions
think
niya.
it's gonna be the Luke Cornet era for
Seven blocks, no? Nagago.
for
Is
the
it seven blocks to?
for the Celtics.
Gagi, saan to
Nakakainis yung
galing?
mga blocks niya. Nakakainis yung mga blocks niya, pare, hindi tumatalon.
Hindi yan
Yung
tumata.
parang sobrang low. What the?
Nakagano siya pa. Ano to? Volleyball. Eh, volleyball, tumatalon yung block sa kanya. Ganun.
Basic, no? Basic. But, wala lang. I mean, hindi naman dapat kasama sa kwentuhan natin ng Celtics. Pero I
Oo,
think
actually, napunta na naman tayo sa Celtics. Yeah.
if there's a guy that they can probably let go, I think it's Kristaps.
Oh, yeah, he's not helping them out anymore. That guy's too
Tapos
fragile.
in and out. I would rather have Al Horford. A 47-year-old Al Horford. 47 naman siya. Di ba? 38
Oh,
ata,
40
38.
naman ata. Wait, Al Horford age. Ah,
38 ata, 38.
38 nga when it's kala ko 40 na.
38. Galing, galing ko manghula.
Guling mo, no? 38 nga.
Wild guess lang yun.
Ano ba ba? Yeah, I mean, ikaw, wait. Sabi mo rin ba na you are in favor of having a new champion every or you're one of those
No, I
guys
am
na
in
you
favor.
want
I am in favor.
okay, kala ko you want a
I'm a
dynasty.
basketball purist. You know, I really want the equal competition. I really like na you don't know when you enter the final, the playoffs, hindi mo alam kung sino yung raratsyada eh. 'Di ba? So it makes the competition much more exciting. So it doesn't matter if you're number 1 or number 8. 'Di ba? Wala na nga yung mga number 1 ngayon eh. Wala na si um sino to number 1 sa East? Wala
Wait,
na si
Cleveland.
Charlotte, si Cleveland. Wala na si
Yeah,
Cleveland.
they're
Wala pa
out.
si Boston, right? On the other end. Well, OKC almost got out, right? So, well, it's really an exciting season. But let's take a guess. All right. Who do you
Anong
have?
guess natin?
East Eastern Conference. I have the
Indiana.
Pacers in 7.
Ako rin eh, Indiana rin ako in 7 eh. I feel
Pacers in 7.
removing the bias na, like just watching the two teams, feel ko makakasilat ang Indiana. For some reason, di ko lang malaman why. Even though
Wala
the
na eh. Kasi
popular pick.
yung energy nila is just, ano eh, ang hirap i-contain.
Pero at the same
Scary.
time, you could say the same for
Scary
New York.
positive energy.
They in their minds, they're like, we beat a defending champion. Tatum was there for 90% of the series. Yun yung sasabihin nila na you cannot discount us na they were already up to 1 on 3-1. Parang gano'n na nga eh,
All
nung
right.
time na
I
yun eh.
think this is where it's gonna get crucial. If you're playing for Tom Thibodeau, you only have a certain amount of time before you break down and your body gives in. Pare,
Actually,
you're
yung
playing
nangyari last year.
42 to 45 minutes a ball game. The bench is averaging 4 minutes. 'Di ba sila Deuce McBride? Pare,
Oo.
papuchu-puchu lang yan eh. But all of a sudden, you're returning back to the game. Now you're going up against a team that keeps on running, that has high intensity, high motor, plays terrific defense. So, ang tanong, kaya ba nung katawan ng New York to match with the intensity of Pacers? Or mag-a-adjust ba si Tom Thibodeau and actually give extra opportunity to the guys off the bench?
When
Sila,
you know deep down that's not happening.
you know deep down that's not happening. No,
Hindi
baka lang
gago.
nakikinig si Tom Thibodeau. Hindi natin alam.
Naruto pa na shoot
Diba?
first
I could
pala
help
ng
you out.
Tagalog.
Diba? I could help you out.
Pero
If
hindi
you could
talaga. Tom
lessen
Thibodeau.
probably around 2 to 3 minutes less from your stars, diba? That's gonna take a lot of
Di
stress
ba yun
and
yung
make
issue
them
last
fresh.
year? Na one by one they were going down. Josh Hart went down. Jalen Brunson went down.
Hmm.
Onti-onti, di ba? Ganun nangyari
That's what
last
happened
year.
to Chicago. Diba? That's what happened to Chicago.
The
They were already
yeah,
up big.
the
Derrick
infamous
Rose was
hop
still in
step.
the game, right? And it's because of the wear and tear. You can do it for a few games, but you cannot do it consistently throughout the whole playoffs. You're bound to break at some point.
Yeah, kasi
Mahirap yung
this is a seven-man rotation when it's. I'm checking out the games right now. It's a consistent seven, eight man. And medyo stretch na nga yung eight man kasi yung eight man only plays 5 minutes. Kasi campaign. Kakount mo ba yun sa rotation? Kung 5 minutes, parang ano na nga yun eh. Garbage time nga pag ganun eh. The rest, ano, it's Deuce and Mitch Robb.
yun lang.
That's it.
Yun
Wala
lang yung
na.
gagamitin mo.
Even, feel ko magagamit o pa si campaign nila Chua left 15 to 17 minutes eh. To make it at least 9. Pero I don't know, I'm not the coach. Hindi naman ako coach for a reason. I just feel like they're playable, Campaign and Achua. To at
Yeah,
least,
even
di ba,
Shamet.
alleviate.
Shamet can stretch out the floor. Shamet can move. Achua is very energetic. And Achua, I think could be crucial. Again, di mo nakikinig sa atin si Tom Thibodeau.
Malay mo.
Achua 6'8". And you're going up against an Indiana team with a lot of the same guys. Si Obi Toppin, si Pascal Siakam, even si Isaiah Jackson gets a few minutes. These are the same type of breed. And you need someone na mag-match. Cat and uh Cat is not that type of player. Si Mitch Robb is not that type of player. So baka lang kailangan mo ng bangers with these type of bigs inside. So let's see if baka Achua could be a crucial guy come this matchup.
And then for the Pacers naman, they go 9 deep, 9, 10 deep even. So, yeah, it's a battle of how long will the series last? Can their body hold out for two more series? Mga
But I think we
questions,
still do
no?
agree. I think we still do agree. Indiana in 7.
Yeah, Indiana in 7 pa rin. I feel like it's Indiana in 7. And I feel that because also, it's also the bench that would push them over the top. It's those small things na eh. Feel ko
Ito
it's the
pare.
bench.
Now we go up. OKC Indiana.
Fast pace, bro.
Let's just say we're
Grabe.
just thinking out loud here. OKC Indiana.
Interesting series, no? OKC,
Interesting.
Indiana.
I'll go first,
SGA
pare. I
versus
think
Allen.
OKC in 6. I think they're just too powerful. I
Yeah. I
think it's
think,
gonna
I
be
feel like
OKC
the
in
guard,
6.
kasi may strength naman ng Indiana is in their guards and wings. But I feel like OKC is well equipped to neutralize that and at the same time still have firepower to push them over the top. So, OKC in 5. Kung ganun I feel like it's gonna be a boring series. I feel like it's gonna be OKC in 5 pero yung mga games gonna be
Close
decided in
naman. Yeah,
2 to 5 points. Ganun.
hindi siya ratratang tambakan. I think Indiana has the heart to actually match yung hindi sila tatambakan.
Pero feel ko, mangyayari
No?
yun parang Indiana's down by 12, hahabulin nila. Parang laging
Ah,
kapos lang in the end. Pero kung, ito pero kung it is close from the first to the fourth, dyan papasok siguro yung advantage ng Indiana na, di ba OKC tends to like lose some of their edge kapag they're just holding on. Or kaparang if it's decided by 2 to 4 points, 2 to 5 points, kesa yung protecting a lead. So,
yeah.
baka feel ko dun makakasilat isang Indiana. But, OKC pa rin mag-champions. If it's OKC Indiana, I think it's a different issue
Well, I
if
mean,
OKC New York.
dito naman, both of us are just thinking out loud. Nag-basketball kami kahapon, ganito rin kami magkwentuhan. Gusto lang namin yung marami pang kakwentuhan. So, guys, kayo, whatever, I think I already asked the question in the community. Who
Mm.
do you think will win? And who do you want to win? Oh, yun. Last question, Nick. Who do you want to win?
Where? In the whole finals
The
or
championship, yeah, the entirety. If you were given the
I want
chance, who would
Minnesota?
you?
I want Minnesota.
Talaga, you want
Remove all the
Minnesota.
remove all the things we talked about.
Yeah,
I
the
want
want, the
Ant
want.
to win. I want Ant to win kasi sobrang ano ng NBA and they're gonna milk the shit out of that marketing. It's gonna be good for the league. I think it's a signal. It's a changing of the face of the NBA,
Yeah.
changing of the guard. na si Ant yung gagawin na ng face of the league no matter how bad he plays in the finals, no? Feel like they're gonna put a narrative na this guy's the new 'di ba legend killer yung naging name niya,
Yeah.
'di ba? And they're gonna capitalize on that. And no matter how bad he plays, he has the ano kasi, yung he has that aura. Yun. Like SG has some aura, pero si Ant iba rin yung aura, 'di ba?
Iba, mas malaki yung aura ni,
Iba
mas
yung
maganda yung
aura
aura
ni
ni
Ant
ano.
eh. Ni Ant. Mas cool. Mas cool
Yeah.
yung
Well,
aura
kasi
ni
if you're
Ant.
coming off Jordan, you're coming off Kobe, andun si
Ang
Ant dun sa ano na
angas.
yun eh. Andun si Ant sa sa
Same level na yun in terms of angas. The
di ba, yung
play,
wavelength
hahabol
eh,
pa
yung
siya.
wavelength.
Wala pa siya dun. But in terms of, yun nga, yung cool aura, nandun na siya. Match niya na.
Ako, I actually want still OKC to win.
OKC ka pa rin. Why? Like, why
Um,
OKC? Like,
I
because
think
it's a new
they've gotten
dynasty
hurt
vibe?
too many times.
Ah,
They've
they got
gotten
it
hurt
hurt.
too many times, right? You've lost Harden, you've lost Durant, you've lost
Westbrook, they all
you've
left.
lost Westbrook,
Mm.
you lost PG eventually. So parang but the fans remained loyal eh. And for a small market team to be able to make it this far and to do it the right way,
Yeah, they are
right?
the, si Sam Presti. Yeah, the Sam Presti way nga talaga. Stock up
And
on
how many
draft picks.
fucking draft picks do they still have? 24 within
Dami.
the next how many years? Diba? So they're still bound for for that greatness. Pero I think just because of the storyline and them being a small market and them doing it the right way, I want to go with OKC.
Gets ko rin naman na I forgot na they went through a lot of heartbreak. Ang dami ko na parang ng mga YouTube videos on how close they were to, di ba? Yung how close and then never materializing. That was a great era when it's
Mm.
I supported the KD, Harden, Russ era. Pero na-eliminate lang rin sila sa dulo by who did they lose to? Miami, di ba? No finals. Who did they I forgot
Sino
who.
ba?
They went to the finals eh. Umabot sila ng finals, di ba? Wait, KD.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
KD, Harden, Ross, finals. Ganun ba tayo
Miami.
katanda? Miami nga.
Miami.
Tama nga.
Miami,
Miami nga.
Miami, Miami. Tama, tama, tama. Miami.
So, it will be a great circle of life kind of thing na if they win the championship. So, either way, Minnesota, OKC, maganda
Actually,
tingnan.
kahit sino eh. Pare, masaya ako New York
It's
manalo.
a new champion. It's a new champion.
Wala
Boring
pa
lang
kasi
na
ako
Indiana
nakikitang
champion.
villain eh. Wala pa akong villain na wala. Dati kasi meron mga villains eh na ayaw mo manalo. I
Feel ko si
mean,
Ant, if it's Minnesota versus New York in the finals, Ant is definitely the villain. Magiging ganun yung ano. It's a villain na we're gonna root for. Feel ko ganun.
mm,
Siya yung magiging ano, yung bago titirahin ng New York fans. Pero at the same time, may respect. Unlike
dami probabilities para tayong si
na,
Doctor Strange na pucha pare
dami natin.
kung anong
Nag-uusapan.
ano tawag dito, kung ano-anong mga possibilities na nakikita
Oo,
natin eh.
oo.
But you guys, don't be shy to type in your your
Comment
comments,
kayo.
your predictions. Actually, if you guys are not yet on the GC, the Shoot First community, make sure na sumali kayo doon, mag-trash talkan tayo doon. I mean, we're just all talking basketball there. Just put your inputs and just share out. Let's talk NBA, let's talk PBA, let's talk UAP, let's talk MPBL, let's just talk basketball. So make sure to join the Shoot First community. Napatagal na naman tayo. Usapan natin minsan.
30 minutes nga ako.
20 minutes lang eh. No? Sumobra na
Naging
naman
50.
tayo.
Naging 50.
We just enjoy talking. No, before we end, I want to shout out Hustle Club. Solid pa rin ang mga damit natin. Pare, linis. Linis. I think they have about 6 colorways. Hindi ako endorsed ah. I'm just really happy with
Usually happy.
Actually, Shoot First fan lang. Bumili ako ng shirt. Tapos nag-comment sa akin, Sir Juanits, kayo po ba to? Sabi ko, shit, ako yan.
Sir
So,
Juanit.
ang free ko, binigyan nila ako ng a few stickers as well. But, I always love supporting Hustle Club. So, shout out guys. Bili na rin kayo. So solid.
Ako, paparinig na rin ako, no, yung sa Vector, yung binilan ko ng, ano, ng running tights. Kung gusto nyo makipag-partner, sige lang, message nyo ako. Kasi I'm really a fan.
Baka
Kapal ng mga
naman,
hero. Baka
Vector, baka
naman,
naman.
Vector, running tights. Kasi
Baka
ano eh,
naman.
sarap suotin, it's really comfortable and yun lang naman yung shoutout ko. But guys, don't forget to join our Facebook community. Yung sabi nga ni Juan, it's ganda ng mga conversations na nababasa ko doon every day. Especially na, not only the NBA, yung mga UAP, the things that have been happening to One It's I think that's a different episode.
Oh, that's
Yung
a
all the
different episode.
movement and we love to see you guys there. And guys, salamat no. On behalf of Shoot First, Nico here with Wanits and all of the guys, Mikey, Gio, in no particular order no, Javi, Baileys. See you all next time. Peace.